Hello YouTube. Yesterday I made a biggest mistake refueling. I ended up putting 15 gallon of gas by mistake in this diesel Sprinter. So the good thing is I didn't start the engine. I realized that I was putting gas while the gas was pumping, so I immediately stopped the pump, and then I got towed. I got AAA, so it's free towing, I guess. So yeah, I got towed to my mechanic, and now he drained everything through the bottom by disconnecting the fuel pump, stuff like that, and then I connected the hose. He drained everything. Now we are putting another 2 gallon of diesel, and then we're gonna drain that again, and then yeah, refuel properly. So that's how you do it. That's the proper way of. We try to siphon it through putting the hose through the the filling spot, but we couldn't siphon. It was hard. We tried to breeze in, breeze out. It didn't work, so he has to disconnect from the bottom. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So we saved it. I'm glad I didn't start it, so it didn't go to the fuel injectors or spark plugs or anything like that. But for next time, I found a very good useful thing, that adapter that you add on the gas tank, that won't allow even if, let's say, you rent this out or you borrow it to a friend, and then they can't make that mistake. It won't allow the pump, like a regular gas pump, to go in if you have that adapter. So I'm gonna put the link below for that. Yeah, that will totally save you from this kind of mistake. I was thinking something and then refueling. I never do that. I'm always careful, but yesterday I was thinking something and I was refueling, and then the day before I was refueling a regular vehicle, so I was using gas. So when you switch from regular gas to diesel, when you change cars, it's easy to make this mistake. But yeah, this adapter will definitely prevent you from making this mistake again. All right, hope this helps. Ciao.